I bought this nice and very rare Sony Betamax VCR from a second-hand store. It was for parts or non-working condition, and as soon as I come to my office, I first take the top cover off and I noticed that there's a tape stuck in. And when I plug in the power, no any buttons work. And I turn the standby on and off, no action. When I unplug and plug the power cable again, tape tries to restart itself, but no further action. Loading and trailing mechanism doesn't work. But just a sec, tape suddenly tries to unload the tape, but again takes the old position. I try to start a manual untrading process, but as you see, it doesn't work. And suddenly tape decides to unload the tape, but the tape damaged. From now on, I have to change the tape for further testings. As the tape comes out, I try to examine the mechanism by eye. I'm so lucky that I have another same VCR, the same model but different color, it's no matter. I noticed that this spring come off. There should be a white hard plastic pin in front of that spring, and this spring has to hold that pin, but it's broken probably. And thanks to YouTube and many other Betamax lovers that share their experiences and solution ideas and advices, and I learned that I can put the hook of this spring into this hole. The hook is in the hole. Now it's time to try. And great. And the VCR is fixed. Loading mechanism and all buttons work properly. I hope that this video will help other guys who has the same fault on their VCRs.